All right, we're back live again from Equipment Zone in Tempe, Arizona, here with Roy Huseman. And Roy, a lot of folks, I mean, we have the 24-inch DTF printer, we have the 17-inch DTF printer, but then we have customers come and say, I'm inundated.
Yeah.
I need more production.
Yep.
And so where are they going to go?
Yep. Well, basically, the next step is our Max Pro unit, which is going to have 5 heads. And that gives you the capability of outputting over 1,000 linear feet in an 8-hour shift. So if production is your key issue and you don't want to buy multiple printers, this printer has the capability of almost outperforming our standard 24-inch by 3 times. So obviously, it's a little bit more expensive, but definitely more cost effective.
So Roy, how many print heads are we talking?
We got 5 print heads, 2 whites, and 3 color print heads. This install is going to be an on-site install because the print heads have to be aligned with one another in order to get everything calibrated properly. Other than that, it's a really easy machine to run. It's a workhorse. Everything's well built inside the machine. And it's definitely the next step when you increase your production to the point where you need to have more film output in an 8-hour shift. Or adding a second or third printer in lieu of doing that, you can just purchase one of these instead. We have customers that started out with our standard 24-inch machine and has a few of those and then turned to these and added a few more of these to get their production up.
Yeah, it seems like when folks get to this printer, then the increase is exponential, and we're certainly talking to folks who have this printer who are now purchasing another one because they're running 10, 12, 14 hours a day with this printer. So, okay, anything more about this printer, Roy?
No,